Hello everyone, my name is Norman Ragland, Senior Product Manager for Observant Technologies. Today we'll be going over the Alibi DVR and NVR playback function. In this video we'll show you how to play back from the DVR itself. You have a few options of playback on this DVR. You click on any screen you want and do an instant playback. Instant playback will offer you 5 minutes of video while the other cameras are still recording or in live mode. You can also access the playback function from the main menu. And third playback function is from the sub menu. If you just right click, scroll down to playback. On the playback screen you have the option of selecting individual cameras or all the cameras. You also have color indication to let you know if what days you have recordings on. You could select between the months as well as the year. You can go full screen anytime you want and click onto each channel to go full screen. Just right click to escape. Up there at the top left you have an option of searching through your normal, event, tag, or external files. We'll go over this a little bit here in a minute. So under playback you have a few options of playing back. Let's start with tag. Tag will allow you to type in specific keywords like theft or intruder while playing back your video, so you can actually search and play back later. This will help speed up any kind of reviewing. As you're going through reviewing a day, you can just make a few notes or tags to let you know that you should go back and take a look at that video again later. With external file, this will actually allow you to play back video from a USB thumb drive that you have stored on the external part of the DVR and NVR. This is video that say you would offload to the thumb drive, but you want to go back and review it. You're able to review it straight from the DVR itself. Under event playback you have the option of putting in a time and date to search for specific events and play back those events quickly. Let's go back down to the time bar and cover a few of these things. Anytime you want, you could pretty much drag and drop your time bar to start your playback time. You can also zoom in to get a little bit more detail for some of those areas where you have a little bit maybe broken up recording or motion type recording. You can zoom in and zoom out. You have the option of muting or unmuting, start clipping, add default tag, add a customized tag. As we were playing back video earlier, you could notate a particular incident. You also have tag management that will allow you to go back in and delete or change the tag name. This gives you a quick overview of your tagged files. You have a digital zoom feature that you could do on live or playback. Point and click anywhere on the screen or drag and drop. And you also have a smart search. This is a really cool feature. This is if you want to search a particular area for motion or for objects. Say a particular object was left there, it is missing. You can search that area to see who was in that area or what objects were in that area. So overall, the Smart Search feature will help you save a lot of time and guesswork. This way you will know what object or person was in a particular area without having to know the exact time or date that they were in that area. Overall, that's pretty much it for the Alibi NVR DVR playback function. Please keep a lookout for our next videos coming up soon.